Le achu ishiwilan we se asame hi Reverend Ramyo Shimraine ngai ngu enane entum kuchung alim ten le au Bangalore le pameka ministry ayali le sau ge de chung ten le re a hi a chon tang chang ordain sa khai ni je ne chi we ning shi sa de ai na shi shim gur na achu itimli refreshment hi mi de kleine je na oja Ramyo li klashim khur le ning shi mi de le Kala awi shimkur ministry live rana swami runo gaji he hangai dale. Iram tu imak shami sang hau gida in rimatui the substituena hang laka iram tuena pauk pai kwirage. Today our text according to the Revised Common Lectionary is a long one, but I have shortened it. Actually the given lectionary portion for today is 2 chapters. I have shortened it only to about 34 verses. I will be reflecting on the Lord's Supper. On the Last Supper, Jesus broke bread with his disciples, shared the cup with them, and he said, "Do this in remembrance of me." What is this remembering that Jesus has commanded? And why is it so important that Christians down the centuries, we continue to remember the words of Christ and obey his commandment during our Sunday worship service, as we will be doing this morning when we observe the Lord's table. What is this remembering? Remembering has a different and a richer meaning in the Bible than it does with us. If I say, I remember a book that I read last year, it is just a mental activity for me. But in the Bible, when it says remembering, it is not just a mental activity, but it goes beyond mental activity. To put it very simply, remembering in the Bible leads to obedience and to acting. Especially in the Old Testament, it is God who remembers us. And when God remembers us, then something happens. So you see the 2 steps there. God remembers, and God does not stop there. But when God remembers us, something happens to us. Take the example of the Israelites in slavery in Egypt. It is said that God remembered them. And because God remembered them, God sent Moses to deliver them. So when God remembers, something happens to us. Something good happens to us. God does not just remember in his mind and leave it at that. But the act of remembering leads to the act of deliverance. Remembering has a very rich meaning in the Bible. And in the story of the Last Supper, Jesus commands his disciples to remember what he is doing. And very significant, because look at the context in which he said, remember. Judas is going to betray him. Peter will soon deny him. His disciples are discussing who is the greatest. In this context, situation of sinfulness, selfishness, Jesus says, "This I do it for you." Humanly speaking, if I were Jesus and I see my disciples fighting among themselves as to who is the greatest, and I know that one of my disciples is going to betray me and one is going to deny me, probably it would be very difficult for me to say these words of promise, of blessing. This is my body. This is my cup. But in the midst of death, betrayal, and denial, Jesus is able to pronounce these words of blessings upon his disciples. How is that so? One of the greatest thinkers and philosophers of our time, Friedrich Nietzsche, has said like this. I'm paraphrasing a little bit what he said. He said, those who has a why in life can bear almost any how. If you know why you are here in life, then other questions of how in life, you can almost bear them. Ask yourself, do you know why you are here? Jesus knows very well. He is there. Why is he there? To do the will of God, his Father. And so because he knows the why of his life, he is able to bear the how. How is that I'm going to be betrayed? How is that I'm going to be denied? How is that after 3 years of being with my disciples, they still do not know the meaning of servanthood, of serving? How is that an innocent person like me will be unjustly condemned, put to death on the cross? Difficult questions. How? But Jesus knows the why of his life. That is why he is able to go through that. The same principle holds for us. If you know why we are here, why am I here, then all the hows of life will become insignificant. Yes, we are struggling with many hows of our life. How is that I'm sad now? How is that I'm suffering now? How is that I'm being treated unjustly in my workplace, in my school or colleges? How is that? But if you know the why, then the how becomes insignificant. The why is we are called here to serve Christ. If you know that, then all the hows, they become insignificant. Jesus commands us to remember his life, his sacrifice. And in remembering his life and his sacrifice, we get a glimpse of the why am I here. And once we know the why, the how become bearable, tolerable, sometimes insignificant. Kanawa ngazin pasat atam je tranjali jishuna. Thank God, aina kamoi kuida awe sakang terbing li mishai mimangai. Jana anak hang natum ne hi sada ili paning kawai salu jine. Ili paning kawai salu. Paning kung ji kigla Jishuna paningung kawai kiji kilik hangla. Itu mikumo bingwe bang paningkung jika ina ajakum ji larik akapakai ji ipningunge. Larik ji palake jita da paningung salbai. Or maninga ka ang thor ji o I knang da klei kjot da klei tam tranjili iwing sot pa ji ning jon mi te the paningkung. Or maning ka Facebook liang jena na malai kai sono aka awa sakra thai jena ale paning kung itu majik thali paning kung ko hona wo ka Bible we paning kung jishuna ili paning kung wa salu ji hi Bible lia ji we ka khalati sak mai rit mai thuk mai jine Bible lia paning kung jai ka akwing tok mang li paning kung mang ning la paning kung jai na iwi mirin hi ngachai ji paning kung jai na I ot sa thoi hau paning kung jai na I kahang na thoi hau athang larik กป้าจีอินพนิงงเจนอ๋อมันทาลักเด็กหางม้ามนิ่งเลยก็จีวิคำท้าจีอินงสนองอากลิงล้นขมีว่าอะไรจีวิคำท้าจีท่าเด็ดตั้มสเตย์เลยดิแต่สนองอากลิงหางเจนพนิงคงเจนแอคชั่นบ่าวเดลจีไบเบิลเวพนิงคงเจกหางเนี่ยอาทั้งอีกจอจังเดเลยละคือมีจีบ้าเจนงจอนไม่ให้เดเลยแต่พนิงคงจะมังมันนิ่งเลยคืออาลีเทเลโฟนซาละก็นั่นอีลิงจอนไม่ให้เจนนิ่งชิลักให้ระโคऔर मनी का आतम चित्रांजलि ब्रह्मांड न लिसो मिदन मिरनिंग पासा का न विलन जे न आली के तेव का ngचोन खमी फनिंग खुंग जे न वत्सत अशोक जी और मनी का सोना के लिए फेसबुक थे जे न आली फनिंग खुंग जी मांग नहीं ला का मरिंग पालिक ला तक कंटेक्ट साथ हुई का हिली फनिंग खुंग जे न वत्सत साथ हुई का जिकथा ली पनिंग कुंग कौन बाइबल लीला एक था हुई जानसम ही कुचुंगले जानसम साद ओ कथुईली त्रुग नवा तमली ओ कथुईली त्रुग पोंग आतम त्रान हिली त्रुग पोंग हाय रे जैन बरिवरान नवाय न सायुर मरिकोंग ली संग दखले बिंग जिली पनिंग उंगे त Genesis which is shut. Jilizang dalade. Paning jena juwithili teru bingji ngoron de teng tau dala. Ma paning sa teru je sang da pam sa lagi phante ka pero ran paning jena teru jila nem zang hawe nau da them tau teng hawe. Rana Rachel li paning da sang dalai. Briurana Rachel li pningung jena Rachel na Joseph li naura ka prani. Briurana pningung ji chama akwing tong mai na tanghai maning la pningung jena watsat aina rashoke. Mikum akwe mirinji ranga chai. Briurana Israel now bing li Egypt li chotak le ji pningung e. Ya lumashan ne dam matanghai mani. Ka atom li Moses se Jehovah la ka ningkan sambang sak paning khung ji aina watsat nga sa thu hawe paning khung ji aina mirin hi nga chei nga sak thu hawe Jesu Christ cross li le da le la ka yom na wa kana Jesu na wong ram le ka sang atam tranjil ili paning wong lo da hange jena Jesu Christ na achu iling so the paradise li kara da hange Paning kung ji paradise li bazang e ji achu itum na kongper hili prohoi phazat hili paningung da klai ne itum na paningung da klai shampadai na da ka thum tha da hangau sai za thui ga atam Jesu Christ we mirin kathi ringlui ji itum paningung da klai na achu kongper hili Chili pang shap chi ka shop ne thi la ga maring lui sa je ja itum arwi hilik zip la kana ga jim ning jine ka thi la ga ring lui haw ga da pang shap chi home haw ga da pang shap chi thang chi home khai ja achu itum sambang da le haw ga da achu hi itum pningung da le ne kreles doi cha thwe ga atam arwi atam hi itum na ki pningung le jika Jesu Christ hi brewra hi itum we atam li mirin li wasami da le gi chi itum pningung la ka ning si da maswat mi da le Ayamang peningkung neng la ka arwi la briwrai lipam da lei ka ji itum peningkung da klei ne ka gutum li akama kanau tang shok ra da klei matai la kai na Jesu Christ na awe ungram khira gi da klei hi itum ji li peningkung da sitsang dang rai da klei ne itum ji mathai wa si je a chu itum sitsang la ga hili ring pa ring si le da klei hi ka khlat ma lei gi ji no Shika sanga ga sa da ok toili yang ka maga phabing hina maya sang mai da klei tha jakshi hina yui da klei tha mikumo we ni mi dane nga yang ka ning hi tiaw bai jil la ning ka tat bai jil I ling zan khamai ba jana promotion sam phangau I ga themba sa sa ba ka sa di ile promotion ma mi thu I lare gyang lai na pa la ga ke sa di mark thadam sam bang chu In what Matalagan Sala Kisadi Iwak Wabajan Iwat come tax, he matai me too. Mikumo we midanen and to me mirin he kachot jinewa. Ka akama akama Jesu Christa ana umram khoi ratam tranjil akhratam tranjil aju ma kam shung hi mishung khoi re gaji kleiwe wangani itum hi renga phane wa ji phaning khung wang khrau mra na ngai khai itum ji phaning khung phaning khawa wi wang itum khra na wa itum we politics pong song lo no church rin song lo no shingkur rin song lo no ram rin song lo no akama gaji itum mai mathai wa ga ning tel bai lak chin wa ka aju ma kam shung hi akama Jesu Christ khratam tranjili ana ma shung mi ra gaji hi we sit ka sang le hau ge da itum hi ring ba da klai ne kalama choi chaw la ana ma shung mi re ji thang ji itum sai ko roi ba kala phaning khung gaji hi ka jong chang na ba Jesu Christ we mirin ji phaning khung ta hangai ji ma shung la ge ka Bible them la kai akana la ngatai hangai na la khla dai dale na tum Bible ga tam bing na Aria ma wan sa thui kai khareli New Testament them la kai Joachim Jeremiah's the Bible New Testament them la kai miya kani ana hida da khla dai dale de phaning khung ji hi itum ya chu tipam le sang dak lai phaning khung hi ana hang da Jesu Christ na hang dak lai hi phaning khung hi friura na itum li mam lai khawai bi wang ka sa nei dang da le de itum na re khong per sa ga ji hi sa jan na friura na itum li mam lai mi lo de ka po nei dang da le ji de ka ana ka hang ji itum phap ta thalen phap ta bang de friura no itum mam lai mi nei ka itum ga jan hau gi da mra ga kali itum hi friura le malai za la ke ji wi wang ai itum na khong per hi li wa la ka friura I sa sa da le ko ili mam lai mi lo na na ilemam lai mlo ka hang ji dar ka sa jin wo briwra wang maning la itum wi wang itum ni hili briwra li phning khung atam tranjili nga so da briwra na ilemam lai mi lo da itum sa sa gi le da kle ne itum khang zan beng wang ji ki te wo dar ka sa jin wo briwra ni itum li phning mi shon ka itum ma lai shon jan khong pal hi ra la ka briwra ilemam lai lo da ka hang hi mra ga kle dar ka sa ne kala Jesu Christ na ilipningong milo da hang da klai hi sakla kai la shila ka haya nga kai khang ka haya tuine ka ja ana hang da klai hi iwi asahi na thumai wang iwi tenkot hi na thumai wang mi da klai shabasa da klai khi atam li sak la jika Judas na ali or zaur gaji atam li sa da klai ana thai da klai ne adam khongpar li pam da le ka Judas na ar yor zaur gaji kisada ale au pasai mi ngai ga da yor za gi mi ba jali i pasai ne te mi ngai la I wa ashi pheu mi gi ji ashi me mi ngai la lak wak yang ngrei khwa tam ranjali Peter li thai le Peter na nei li ka thum si da hatra kho Jesu thai da le Peter li so mi ngai la sok mi tu ji mi ngai la awa thi gi jai re cross li bag jare kha awe sa khang thu bing ji ki bana re mai thui gle ji kharchan sa bam dal le ji awe ka chot pa li ma thai mi la lei gi shi ai na mi da khlai no Jesu Christ na ithum li la yang lag ithum mi ren li yang ra kha pen lak mu jim da le re I zang da kha ma pen lak ji pa ja hai la kai la kha ana ithum li areng thor hang da khlai hi na we more ja hai la kai fulo ka I na le mi khangai ba hi na sak mai I we asa hi na khuilo I we asi hi na mang khuilo mta la kai ni ina sa da klai hi na thum phaningung lo ina ka pha sa da klai ka shi apam li te kai apam li na ka pha sa da klai na thum phaningung lo areng athor hi ethum khong par apam li khara tan tran hi Jesu Christ na sa khai phaningung laka ili so me lo gi mang ka hang maning la khabri ra na na ka pha sa khai tha da morai lungli apam li na na ithmai wang ka pha sa khai tha da inala na we li thi ga shura ka sa da ka pha sa ka bai la ji thum han laka achu aring thor hi khong par hi le ali ngrum ka vai sa sai amen